to get 3 adolescent kids to stay in on a Friday night because family is important may well end up producing in them a rebellion against family because it's the last thing that they actually want to do. And I could make that a hard and fast rule and get them to adhere to it, but their own hearts will be very far from engaging with people on a relational level in the family structure, because you focus on the system rather than the end product. Because the end product really is love and intimacy. And so if I set my goals as a father around how can I best facilitate and make possible loving relationships within my family, I will ask myself and set goals on a different level towards that. I will be asking myself, how can I best express love towards my son or my daughter this week, and focus on those relationships, which would then actually produce the thing of love expressed in family unity in a much more wholesome and successful way. But if I just produce the structure and the system and the outward appearance of family, I could well end up reaping the exact opposite of what I desire. So understanding the difference between end and means values is very important, and you're going to be given an exercise now in front of you where you've got 2 columns of means values and another column of end values, where we're asking you to basically put in a hierarchy your top 5 means values and your top 5 end values. You read through the list of 20 values in the means column and pick out your top 5 and then put them in an order of 1 to 5 as to what is your most important. And then you look down the other column of your end values and again pick out your top 5, what are most important to you there, and again put them in a hierarchy of 1 to 5. And when you've got your top 5 end and means values, put them together on a piece of paper listed alongside each other, and then ask yourself the question, when you look down your end values, when you choose your top end value, what out of your means value feeds into that and helps you fulfill that, and you begin to see the connection between the two. And that is something that you can talk through and discuss with your peer and allow them to ask questions where you can then elaborate on the actual word on your list and say what it means to you. Okay, thank you very much.